Welcome to KRC's Service Solution video series. Most machine tools can expect to be moved at least once during its productive life. Moving equipment can be expensive and dangerous undertaking when you don't have sufficient resources, manpower, and know-how.
KRC's expert service engineers get your machine safely from one location to another. Our service engineers can also assist with the installation and startup of the machine. We will reassemble the machine and make all necessary hookups, level and align the machine, and perform test runs to ensure the machine is in complete working order to the customer's satisfaction. Don't trust this guy around your machines. KRC does not specialize in any certain make or model. Therefore, we can calibrate and align each of your machine tools and give you the complete results. Our goal at KRC is to be your full machine tool solutions provider. Give me a call today and let's discuss our calibration services.
This has been another 60-second KRC service solution. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.